Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I restyle this lovely Model Muse doll's hair. She's already been washed and her hair was untangled. The supplies we will need at this stage are drinking straws, the doll, scissors, hairbrush, bobby pins, and 2 yogurt containers for hot and cold water big enough to fit the doll in comfortably. We will use regular drinking straws, 1/4 inch in diameter, and jumbo smoothie straws, 3/8 inch in diameter, which have all been cut up already. Cut the straws into approximately 1.5 inch pieces. Next, cut some of the straws lengthwise, just once. I sorted my straws, round here and split ones there. Let's take a small lock of hair in front of the ear, carefully separate it out and brush it smooth. Roll the end onto a small round straw, neatly tucking in the hair tips. Then secure the hair with a small split straw. Roll the hair all the way up and protect it with another small split straw. Place a bobby pin over the straw. Pin should never touch your hair. Take a larger section of hair at the top of your head. Brush it out and begin rolling it onto a jumbo straw. Secure the end with a split jumbo straw. Roll it all the way to your head and protect that with another split straw before putting in the bobby pin. Do the same thing for the remaining hair in the front. Then, group up these straws with pins to prevent hair locks from twisting or dangling. Continue with the hair at the back. Notice the front straws have shifted forward. Similarly, group up the straws at the back. This is what she looks like when completed. Notice I use small straws on the left side of your head. All straws are grouped up and don't move when she is turned upside down. Time to boil the hairstyle into place. Before pouring any water, first test how she fits. It will have to be filled up to this point. Pour hot water into the container up to that point because we don't want to boil your body. Dip your head and set a timer for 2 minutes. Shake off excess hot water and dip her into cold water for another 2 minutes. Take her out, gently shake water out. She must dry naturally. Because of so much plastic on each curl, it will take 2 days to dry. After 2 whole days, your hair is finally ready to be reviewed. Remove all the pins. Some pins are easier to remove with the help of pliers. Now, gently pull off all the straws without disturbing the locks. This is the most exciting part of the whole process because you never know what it'll look like. And here she is. Wow! Look at those bangs. Gotta do something about that curl. These 4 swirls on the side look so cool. Too bad I can't keep them this way. The hair in the back is so neat. Okay, time to style. Grab this little lock and sweep it to the other side. This lock can be placed neatly down and swirled here. Swap these 2 locks, just because. This one back, that one forward. Okay, now she's all ready for hairspray. We will need a piece of plastic wrap, sewing pins, hairspray, and gloves. Spray generously but avoid drops of product from forming. To shape the hair, wrap your head lightly with plastic wrap. Arrange hair locks within, letting plastic wrap hold it into place. Use pins to poke around, fine-tuning the hairstyle and opening ventilation holes. Secure some hair locks to the plastic wrap with pins. When happy with the arrangement, let the hairspray dry for a few hours. Once dry, take out the pins and unveil her from the plastic wrap. She looks pretty neat now. Hairspray again to set the style, adding pins whenever necessary. After she dries, take out the pins. See how hard the hair is now? Take a small piece of thread, fold it in half, pass through needle and loop it several times over your hair bangs. Secure the knot. Then go under your hair to the lock on the other side and back. Notice I don't sew into your head. Secure and knot again. Hide the end of the thread. This is the result. Your hairstyle is done. Now for the fun part, a baggie full of earrings. Gotta try each of them and separate them into two piles, reject pile and the maybe pile. This matches your lipstick and looks like a hair clip, so it goes in a maybe pile. Dark blue makes no sense in here, and neither does the purple. Reject pile. This fancy drop looks pretty. Let me show you the maybe pile one by one. Tell me your favorite one in the comments below. 1. A long earring. 2. A small butterfly. 3. 3 gemstone swirl. 4. A golden wheel. 5. A teardrop. 6. A fancy teardrop. 7. A large pearl with butterfly. 8. A red hair clip. 9. Blue star matching your eyes. 10. Ornate gold design. 11. Fancy drop. 12. White hair clip. 13. Simple round stud. 14. Golden leaf. 15. Shell pendant. I think this one matches your hair locks the best. To attach, use thin golden beading wire, wrap it around the loop. Insert behind a hair lock and wrap it into place. The pendant needs to be attached at 2 points. Push wire into its edge and then lead wire through top of your hair. Use pliers when needed. This process is very hard on the hair. When the pendant is secured into place, twist 2 wires together, clip and fold down. One last round of hairspray to set the hairstyle. Your hair is hard again. Wipe your face and body from hairspray. Using small manicure scissors, clip off the individual stray hairs to neaten up your hairstyle. To repaint your wild lips, I use a retarder and iridescent bright gold fine paint by Golden. Just one drop of retarder and a tip on a brush of gold paint is all that's needed. Under a magnifying glass, slowly and carefully cover the red lipstick with gold paint. Wipe off with a flat brush any mistakes. I'm really slow at this, so the retarder helps me keep acrylic paint wet and workable. Here she is, almost all done. Last step is to seal your lips with a glossy varnish. One little drop, mixed with a micro drop of water. Cover up the gold acrylic paint. She's all done and picture ready. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!